Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play the Adventure Time theme song. Now before we play the song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are G major, D major, and C major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is G major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is D major. To play that, just take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be G major for 4 beats, D major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and back to D major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is just going to be for the verse, and the second section is going to be for the chorus. So the first section, which again is for the verse, is just going to be down strums on each chord. Since we've already played that strumming pattern in the chord progression exercise, let's move on to section 2, which again is for the chorus. And the strumming pattern for that section is just going to be down, down, up, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the G major chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And now let's apply the strumming pattern with the chord progression. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Let's play through the strumming pattern and the chord progression a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through the Adventure Time theme song. Adventure time, come on and grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands with Jake the dog and Finn the human. The fun will never end. Adventure time. And at the end of that song, we're just going to ring out on the G major chord. And that's how you play the Adventure Time theme song. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Ohana Ukuleles for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.